Welcome to Best Useful Tips. Here I will show you how to set a data limit on your Windows 10. First of all, open Windows setting in your PC or laptop devices. Now tap on a network and internet setting. Here you can see status Wi-Fi, Ethernet, airplane, mobile hotspot, data usage. Tap on data usage. Here you can see wireless network connect local area. Tap on a set limit under data limit section. Now you can see this. You can set limit type monthly, one time unlimited, monthly reset date, choose from 1 to 28. Set data limit you want. Enter limit in MB and GB you want to reduce data usage on your Windows 10. After complete set, tap on a save in your device to save data usage. You can also change Ethernet setting, set a method connection, set data limit, and again go to same process in your devices. I hope this tutorial helpful to change data limit, reduce data usage on a Windows 10. Please like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to get more tips.